Let's measure the 14 hexagon with the border right now. So here it is. This is 14 hexagon with the border from one end to the other end. So this one is a very large one, super bright, but keep in mind how long it is so that you can see if you can fit it in your garage. So here from one end all the way there to this is about 190 inches, right around there. So just under 16 feet that way. And then if you're going to measure the width of it, so the width is going to go from that side all the way over here, and you can see the width of it. This is the width right here. Let's get from there all the way over to here. It's about 98 inches, so a little bit more than 8 feet right there. So 8 feet, and then you got the other dimension right there. That is the 14 hexagon with the borders measured. Hykoon Hexagon Lights. You know we love our hexagon lights. That's a 5 hex light. This one from Hykoont is an 11 hexagon light, which is 47 pieces versus 25 pieces for the 5 hex. So nearly twice as many lights. It's going to be super bright. With Hykoont, you got the IP54, water resistance, and 3-year warranty. This is the whole kit right here. You got all these connectors. So actually in this kit, you have these connectors. You're going to get 15 of the V connectors. So what are the V connectors? You'll see right here. These are going to be the V connectors right here. They will connect 2 hexagons together, and you have a mounting point right there. Super solid. That's how it transfers the power between the lights. And then you're going to get 21 of the Y connectors. The Y connectors are these right here. They have the mounting point right there, and they'll connect 1, 2, 3 lights together. And then you also got the power cord. So you got this power cord right here. This will connect to one of the Y connectors like that and provide you power like this, and it connects like this way. There we go. It only goes in one way, and this connects to your outlet. Or if you want to, you can use this one, the 1/2 meter power cable. This one, which has an open end, so you can connect to your electrical outlet box. Then you have all your accessories. These are the accessories here, here, here. So you can mount them to your wall. You can mount them to the wall, or for us, we might mount it on our ceiling up here because that's 11 hex. It's going to be so big. It's going to be awesome. Let me know, what do you think about that? And then we got a pack of zip tie, but I'm super excited because we have 47 of these tubes, which is nearly twice as much as a 5 hex. That's a 5 hex, this is 11 hex. Let me show you the tubes right here. So you got the accessories here, you got the power cord, you got more accessories. So you got all these connectors here. Yo, this is crazy. More connectors here, you have more connectors here, and then another connector here, and then the tubes. These are going to be the tubes in here. These tubes are awesome because they are bright, they're easy to set up, they're lightweight. That's also another very important thing because I love how lightweight these tubes are. See, lightweight tubes, but they're very sturdy, very durable. You can see inside, if you look very carefully, there's the LED strips on the inside of them, and then they just connect together with these connectors right here. So you can see how the power transfer between them, like so, boom, just like that, and then you connect the power, super easy. So we have 47 of these tubes right here, and they're solid, lightweight, but they are bright and they work really well. And because there's actually nothing mechanical about these LED lights, they are very, very, very reliable. That's why you have 3-year warranty on this. But yeah, we have 47 of these tubes. I mean, I can go on forever, but you can see those are the tubes right here. We have so many of tubes. I don't know if I should take them out or leave them in the box, but I'm going crazy. I'm going nuts over these lights. There's just so many. This is the Hykoont 11 Hexagon Light Kit right here. Oh yeah.